A very, very, very good foundation, and I myself, this is something that I'm so passionate about. I have my own foundation.
What is the foundation called?
The Dora Foundation. Which is for sickle cell and youth development. And what they do is so great. Is, you know, where they are is where I hope to go one day. Exactly. And they're doing a great job, really helping those in need. So it's not just about people coming, looking good, dancing, celebrating, but that money is going to a good cause, and it's very important for our community.
So you've come to support.
Yes, yes, definitely.
So thank you so much for talking to you. And your name again?
Miriam.
Latest, the newest couple in town. Tell us, how does it really feel?
Well, it feels great, you know, we're privileged, we're very privileged, we're fortunate, and we're just enjoying every moment of it. So, yeah.
Wow, and what about you?
Yes, a good feeling.
It's good to be married.
It's great.
What advice would you give to those people who want to do the same union, you know, go into the same, because it's a journey? What would you encourage somebody who's listening and they're looking to, you know, have the same luck that you have? What advice would you give to them?
That God should be the center. Let God be the center, and then everything will fall into place.
Let God be the center of everything.
Yeah, I echo the same thing. Just trust in God, and just, you know, whatever you do, just let Him lead you. Try not to do things by your own efforts, otherwise you'll struggle.
Did you court? Like, you court for how long?
We courted for about 4 years.
So about 8 days ago.
Yeah.
When you kiss me, Miss if you go up, when you go down, I said, sweet, say, go down. Love it, go down. Go down for me. Go down for me.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, that was Steady Bongo, Sierra Leonean legend, you know, artist that you've just heard. Continue to tune in. There's still more coming up, audience. Thank you.